Hey, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? I'm doing good. Seriously, so simple, so easy, really good for you. It's one of my favorite like go-tos for lunch when I'm like in a hurry and I don't want to spend a lot of time in the kitchen, or even for dinner. So I cut these little zucchinis. I'll just show you. So just cut them straight down like that, and then I line them up and I just slice it in half. So basically it's gonna be kind of like a Mexican salsa kind of cuisine. You can do it as a bowl, or you can do it as individually, like put the rice on the side with the beans and the guacamole and all that, but I usually like to eat it like that. So I have jasmine, well, it's like white kind of sticky rice from yesterday that I already cooked, so it was be prepared for this video. So literally I hope you know how to cook rice, because it's just white rice cooked in a pot. And then I have spinach, and then I have some pinto beans, super high in protein, really good for you, that you can mix with the tofu. And then under here I've had some tofu pressing to get the water out. So now that it's pressed, I'm going to take the tofu and cut it into like, just all we need is like 4 cubes, because then what we're gonna do is we're gonna mash it anyways, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so now that that's there, my pan's heating, so we're going to move on back here. And we use coconut spray because it is so good and it's less calories, and I just love the way it tastes on my food. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is put the cilantro on the side, the avocado, and I'm going to add in the onion and the zucchini on one side, and then I'm gonna start sauteing the tofu on the other side. Okay, so the tofu I'm keeping on one side because I'm going to get it pan seared a little bit with the coconut spray, just like a little bit brown on each side. But the zucchini, I'm gonna start adding in some liquid aminos, some chili peppers, you don't have to if you really don't like them, and some paprika. Okay, so you see how it's getting a little bit golden brown? That's what you want before we start smashing the tofu. Okay, so now we're gonna add some pinto beans. Now, if you don't like pinto, you can add black, garbanzo, or no beans, whatever you like. But beans, magical beans, the more you eat, the more you do. So now you need a fork for this, because we're going to start smashing the beans and smashing the tofu. Alright, now let's add in some flavor. So we're going to do a little bit of liquid aminos. I'm going to add in paprika. Vegan crack, nutritional yeast, and then just sprinkle it all over. Some hot sauce. Time to add some spinach, some rice to the pan to reheat it. You want abs like this, you gotta eat like this. I got this vegan Parmesan cheese that's actually really good. If you don't like this, you could do vegan mozzarella, or if you're just kind of getting into the vegan lifestyle, you don't have to use any cheese if you don't want to, but it's really good grated on top. It gives it a nice little smoky flavor. And then this cilantro, I just like to rip up a little bit. And that's that, y'all. Literally so easy. Look, at everything is in one pan, under 30 minutes. I don't know what your excuse is, but I don't have any. So you can, like I said, you could do it in a bowl, or you can throw it all on a plate. And I'm gonna put it all on a plate so you guys can see it all separate. But whatever you prefer. Usually I do like a cute little pretty picture. I'm not sure if we're gonna get there today. So there's the beans. The tofu is so good like this. I'm telling you, if you cook it first on both sides, then you smash it and then you season it, game changer. Okay, so now we take some cilantro all around because we love cilantro. Then some avocado. Yes, bless. No stress. Well, let's try and make it pretty. Okay. Here we go. Sis, I'm telling you, you gotta know how to cook. Some hot sauce because we know wimps around here. A little bit of more nooch. Now, I only can do this much for you guys to show you because then you won't be able to see the food, but then after I usually drown it in nooch because it's like so good. So freaking good. Okay, take a look at this. Look at how beautiful, how easy, how convenient, how amazing this is. Loaded with protein and so filling and so yummy. For the gram, if you're not following tbaaayybaaay, my main page, I also have my food page, Natural Built Bodies. And now you can see where the picture comes into play. Look at that, y'all. Instagrammers be like, gotta get that perfect picture. Gotta get all the angles. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna do a taste test for you guys, but listen, you gotta try this. This is just so easy, so convenient. And if you want more easy, simple recipes like this, comment below. What do you want to see me cook? Because I will cook anything if it's vegan. Comment below what recipe that you want to see, and I do a lot of easy meals, especially because I'm always in a hurry for like lunch, so I got 10 of those up the books. Honey, whew, that is just something that God just blessed me with this gift to cook. And girl, you got that yum. That's so good. You guys have to try this. Also, I was thinking of starting those little, maybe once in a while, like mukbang shows. Everybody's been super into those, and I never really like to do it because, like I said, I'm always kind of, sometimes I'm eating and working. But if you really are interested in seeing me do a mukbang video where I eat in front of the camera, if that interests y'all, just let me know and comment below. So give this recipe a try, and I'll see you all soon.